A SecurityX scenario gives you a cloud data leakage problem. The answers include CASPA, CM, SACR, and map the data flow first. The tool names feel more technical, but the senior answer usually starts with the architecture decision, not the product acronym. SecurityX is not just asking whether you recognize a tool. It is testing decision order. What is the asset? Where does trust change? What control objective is needed? Who owns it? And what evidence proves the design works? Start by mapping the data. In a hybrid environment, regulated customer data may move through remote users, SaaS applications, cloud storage, integrations, and third parties. Until the data path is visible, tool selection is mostly guessing. Next, identify trust boundary crossings. Identity changes when a contractor signs in. Network trust changes when traffic leaves the corporate environment. Ownership changes when data enters SaaS or a third party. Boundaries tell you where controls belong. Then choose the control objective. Are you trying to prevent exposure, detect misuse, respond faster, or recover from failure? CASB, CM, SAR encryption, identity controls, and logging can all matter, but they solve different jobs. Architecture also has constraints. A perfect control that breaks the business will not survive. Compare compliance needs, latency, user friction, budget, integration complexity, and the team that must operate the control every day. Finally, require evidence. A design is not complete just because a tool is installed. You need telemetry, audit trails, alerts, response records, and metrics that prove a control is performing against the risk you mapped. Knowledge check. A company wants to reduce cloud data leakage after multiple SaaS misconfigurations. Which first step best reflects senior SecurityX thinking? First option, buy a CASB because it is designed for SaaS visibility. Second option, deploy a new CM connector for every SaaS platform immediately. Third option, map regulated data flows, ownership, trust boundaries, and control objectives before selecting tooling. Fourth option, block all unmanaged SaaS traffic until every application is routes. The best answer is the third option, map regulated data flows, ownership, trust boundaries, and control objectives before selecting tooling. Buying a CASB or deploying SIEM connectors may become valid later, but they are premature. Blocking all unmanaged SaaS may reduce exposure, but it can break business processes unless the risk and control design are understood. Here is the SecurityX rule. Scenario questions test decision order. Architecture comes before product choice. Data flows and trust boundaries tell you where controls belong. Evidence proves the design is working. When the answers are full of tool names, pause and ask, what architecture decision is this question really testing?